आरंभ कर रहे हैं।
Please remain silent. Good morning, everybody. Namaste, everybody. I myself, Jina Jani and Pandit Dinesh Jani will performing wedding ceremony of Sonia and Avinash. Before we start the wedding ceremony, I request all of you, please give me a round of applause and welcome Avinash groom team. Please show your family. So also we are for my family also. Thank you very much. Outside we Bharat welcome, Kashiyata and groom welcome. Now we are doing very first ceremony over here at the mandap, which is Ganesh Puja. So we pray Lord Ganesh by the grace of both of you. Please join hands together, close your eyes, and we first chant the Guru Mantra.
Avinash, are you ready? 100%. 110. Lock किया जाए. Final. Now this king only for 1 hour. You know where Raja? In English say like groom. But king only for 1 hour is king. Now we start the puja. Join the hand and prayer Ganesh. Om Bhakratunya Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprava. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. બાપા મોરિયા.
ઓમ ગમ ગણપતયે નમો નમઃ સિદ્ધિવિનાયક નમો નમઃ અષ્ટવિનાયક નમો નમઃ ગણપતિ બાપા મોરિયા.
ઓમ ગમ ગણપતયે નમો નમઃ સિદ્ધિવિનાયક નમો નમઃ અષ્ટવિનાયક નમો નમઃ ગણપતિ બાપા મોરિયા.
બાપા ગણપતિ બાપા મોરિયા. તમારી બાજુથી બે જણા જોઈશે.
Okay, now Ganesh Puja is done.
Now our Ganesh Puja is done over here. Now next is Kanya Agman, arrival of the bride.
You have a booklet, everyone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure Ganesh Puja. Now next is bride.
Kuriya sada mangala. Kuriya sada mangala. Kuriya sada mangala.
Close eyes and chant the mantra 108 times. Om Soniaya Namaha. Start. You have to. 108 times. Sure? Count. 1. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव
विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपदे ते दृगं स्मरामि
लाभस्तेषां जयस्तेषां गततेषां परायण
येषामिन्दीवरस्यामो हृदयस्थो जनार्दन
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कन्यारूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
उपन्दाय शुभमङ्गलं भवतु
એક ચેર બેટા અહીંયાથી કઈ કોઈ લઈ લે ને અહીં બેસી જા બેટા Now next step is exchanging garlands. So both of them will rise and exchanging their garlands each other.
સ્મિતાબેન તમે સોનિયાને નાનો ચાલનો કરો દીકરીને દીકરી એ લક્ષ્મી છે તો યુ હેવ ટુ સે લક્ષ્મી નમો નમઃ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कन्यारूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
जयमालाय नमः
Now Jaimala time. Again I request everybody please rise.
I tell you who's first. Avinash asked me who's first. Very good.
And also
No, I tell you who's first. No, Avinash, today after you home, you have to say wife is always right. Right? Sure. Good. Yeah, mom. Same thing, mama. So always ladies first. હંમેશા ને આપણા શાસ્ત્રોમાં પણ છે લક્ષ્મી નારાયણ નેવર સે નારાયણ લક્ષ્મી રાધા કૃષ્ણ લક્ષ્મી નારાયણ સીતારામ ઉમાપતિ મહાદેવ સિદ્ધિ વિનાયક સેમ થિંગ તો ઓલવેઝ લેડીઝ ફર્સ્ટ યુ હેવ ટુ હોલ્ડ શૂન્ય વેઇટ
No, just hold like this. Just hold like this.
Okay, now first is mantra, is Lakshmi mantra. Okay, after mantra finish, you have to offer the garlands.
after making garlands each other exchanging, I request everybody please give them big round of applause. Not now, after wearing garlands. each other.
Idam vishnarave chakarametreda nidhate padhamha
Samudyavasya vagusure swaha.
Om vishvani devassavedardhorida nibara suvaha
Jadabadarantanna asuvaha.
Om Vishnave
Namaha.
Now your turn. Avinash, you also go. Good. Not now, wait, okay? Sure. Okay, now second mantra is Lakshmi mantra. Lakshmi and now Narayanam. Mahalakshmi Davidmahe Vishnavadne Jademahe.
Tanno Lakshmi prachodayat.
Mahalakshmi Davidmahe Vishnavadne Jademahe.
Tanno Lakshmi prachodayat.
Yasvayam Sukatinam Bhavane Swalakshmi Papatmanam Dadadhyam Radhaye Subadhe.
Shraddha satam kulajanam prabhavasya lajjatam tvam natasma paripalaya devi
Om
Vishwa.
Mahalakshmi
Namaha. Now, please sit down, everybody. Let me read a rice ceremony. Avinash and Sonia shower rice on each other's head. The shower of rice grains mixed with turmeric is considered a sign of abundance, of prosperity. It is also signifies an unbreakable bond of love,
Okay.
as akshata means unbroken rice is
like
used
that,
for
two
this
hands,
ritual.
Like that. And you have to, here, right? Inhale. Now you same thing you do after, okay? Hare Amma Sahajasiraga Purga Sahasraksha Sahasramada Sabhum Vikam Dharmada Sudva Yatishta Dasan Gulam Maha. Now your turn. You take the more. Yeah, good job. Sonia, good job. Sonia, take the more. Finish off. Om Hari Om Mahasuma Mangalaya Namo Namaha. Om Sandiran. Yustarika Goshanti Samandire Dijado Yada Samihase Tato No Avayan Guru. Sit down now. Recycling. Good. Now you sit down. You have to take. You have to father and mother just give the blessing. Your side also. Both left hand, holding left hand, and use right hand. Just the blessing. Sarvetra Sakina Santa Sarve Santa Niramaya.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashchit Dukvad Bhavet.
Mantrartha Sapala Santa Parana Santa Manoratha.
Shatrunam Buddhinashastu Mitranam Hridayastavaha.
This is your blessing. Happy marriage, long life. It's called Kuryat Sada Mangalam. આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ કુર્યાત સદા મંગલમ. Same thing. એમને આશીર્વાદ. Now કન્યાદાનમ હસ્તમેલમ.
Now next is Kanyadan and Hastamela.
કન્યાદાનાય નમઃ.
ના ડીજી પાસે
બુદ્ધ તિલકમ.
મારું હેન્ડ હેલ્ડ નું
Both
જરા
hands.
વોલ્યુમ હાઈ કરે. થેન્ક યુ.
મીઠાબેન, you also do ટીકા to both hands. ગંધદ્વારામ દુરાધરસામ નિત્યવષ્ટામ કરસ્યન.
ઈશ્વરી સર્વભૂતાનાં તામિ હોમાપયા શ્રિયા.
મક્ષતાક્ષસ્તુરસષ્ટા કુંકુમહક્તા સુધાભિદા.
મયા નિવેદિતા ભક્ત્યા ગૃહાણ પરમેશ્વરઃ.
Your gotra, you know your gotra name? વશિષ્ઠ ગોત્રો જવન્નોઃ યદ્યદિનઃ શુભઃ પુણ્ય પવિત્રઃ માસત્તમે માસે શુભઃ પુણ્ય પવિત્રઃ. Hold the spoon with water and say વૈષ્ણવ
વૈષ્ણવ
ગોત્ર
ગોત્ર
ઉત્પન્નઃ
ઉત્પન્નઃ
યદ્ય
યદ્ય
દિને
દિને
મમ
મમ
લક્ષ્મી
લક્ષ્મી
રૂપી
રૂપી
કન્યાઃ
કન્યાઃ
સોનિયા
સોનિયા
નામની
નામની
કન્યા
કન્યા
વિષ્ણુ
વિષ્ણુ
અવિનાશ
અવિનાશ
કુમાર
કુમાર
વશિષ્ઠ
વશિષ્ઠ
ગોત્રો
ગોત્રો
ઉત્પન્નો
ઉત્પન્નો
યદ્ય
યદ્ય
મમ લક્ષ્મી
લક્ષ્મી
રૂપી કન્યા
રૂપી કન્યા
તુભ્યમ
તુભ્યમ
સંપદ્યતે
સંપદ્યતે
ધર્મ
ધર્મ
અર્થ
અર્થ
કામ
કામ
મોક્ષ
મોક્ષ
ચતુર્વિધ
ચતુર્વિધ
પુરુષ
પુરુષ
બ્રાહ્મણ
બ્રાહ્મણ
દેવતાનામ
દેવતાના
સાક્ષિતેન
સાક્ષિતેન
મમ કન્યા
મમ કન્યા
તુભ્યમ
તુભ્યમ
સંપદ્યતે નમઃ કૃષ્ણાર્પણમસ્તુ શિવાય નમઃ. ये हाथ रखो लो, टच राइट हैंड एंड जस्ट शिवजी ने याद करो. लॉर्ड शिव मंत्र ब्रह्म मुरारी.
ब्रह्म मुरारे सुरार्जित लिंगम निर्मल भाषित शोभित लिंगम जन्म दुःख विनाशन लिंगम तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम देव मुनि प्रवरार्जित लिंगम कामदहं करुणाकरलिंगं रावणदर्प विनाशनलिंगं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगं.
महारुद्र लक्ष्मी नारायण शहिदाय नमो नमः. कन्यादान तुभ्यां संपद्यते नमः. कन्यादानाय नमः तुभ्यां संपद्यते नमः. ओम विष्णुवराय नमः. આશીર્વાદમ. બે હાથ રાખો, એમને આશીર્વાદ આપો કે ભગવાન તમારું સદા કલ્યાણ કરે. એક બાપ હોય ને, દીકરી એટલે હૃદય, એનો આશીર્વાદ આપે છે કે મારી દીકરી સદા સુખી થાય. આપણામાં કહેવાય ને કન્યા એટલે લક્ષ્મી હૃદય, બાપનું હૃદય છે, આશીર્વાદ આપે છે કે મારી દીકરી સદા સુખી થાય. મંગલમ ભવતુ મંગલમ ભગવાન વિષ્ણુ મંગલમ ગરુડધ્વજ
મંગલમ પુંડરીકાક્ષ મંગલાયતનોહરી
સર્વમંગલ માંગલ્યે શિવે સર્વાર્થ સાધિકે
શરણ્યે ત્રંબકે ગૌરી શ્રી નારાયણે નમોસ્તુતે.
નારાયણે નમસ્તુતે નમઃ. Hold the left hand, use the right hand, just to sprinkle the water, little bit, both. You touch the right hand, Smita bhai. Jauh sandirantariksha sandehi vrathave sandirapah sandirokhatayah sandeh.
वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगो शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेधिः.
सर्वारिष्टशान्तिर् भवतो गठबन्धनपूर्वकम्.
Now next is Gathabandhan, step 9.
Okay. Now yes. येन बद्धबले राजा दानवेन्द्र महाबला.
तेन त्वामपि बन्धनामि रक्षे माचलमाचलः.
मन्दिरार्था सबला सन्ध भरणसन्ध मनोरथा.
शत्रूणां बुद्धिनाशस्तु मित्राणां हृदयस्तवः.
मित्राणां हृदयस्तवः.
Corner खाली.
That's good. Right. This is good. Yeah. This side. Yeah. This side. Yeah. Ghatabandhanam Good. Now, rise. Good. Now, stand better.
Now both of you please rise.
Sweet cover आगे तो दिख रहा है. चलो.
Pilbhati Puri, Maharaj passage.
Here. You also come and give the both seat. No, sit down. Sit down, please. Now picture. Yes. Photography also Bhagavan. Yeah. Again. No. Avinash, second God is here, three God. Hanumanji, Ganeshji, all here. You have to see. Look. This is Ganesh, middle is Hanumanji, this is Kal Bhairav. Okay, come. Yeah, both. Okay, Hanumanji. Now your blessing is done, now you have to. Yeah.
અહીંયા ફ્રન્ટ આગળ બેસો જો વાંધો નથી આની પર બેસે મોટી હા.
Let me read Agni Sthapan. The wedding is solemnized in front of Agni, that means the sacred fire, a symbol of light, energy and purity. Sonia and Avinash offer various items to feed the fire and recite vows to be faithful and respectful to one another.
पुण्यहवाचनं कलशं निधानं पुण्यहवाचन कलश निधानं महा मातृदेवो
એ દાદા રિમૂવ કરવું પડશે.
पितृदेवो भवः आचार्यदेवो
તેના પછી ફાવશે.
माता पितृजनकमलेभ्यो नमो नमः. Agnidev Pujanam. You have to just hold the flower both.
Both of you please hold flower in your right hand.
Sonia also both hand. Agnar Devata, Vato Devata, Surja Devata, Chandrama Devata, Vasavo Devata, Rudra Devata, Maruto Devata, Sadyo Jatam Prapadyame,
Sadyo Jataya Vai Namo Namaha.
Om Aganaye Namaha.
Agni Prajvalitam Vande Jata Vedo Hutashana.
Yatha Hiranyamamalam Samruddham
Vishwato Mukhaha.
The flower here. And do Tika Agni Pujanam.
Please offer Kumkum Tilak with right hand,
Five.
ring
You also
finger.
put the flower there. And both do 5 times. What? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
गन्धद्वारां दुराधरशां नित्यपुष्टान् करेशिने ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां ताविहोमामया श्रिया.
Still you have no ring there. We do small yagni and agni puja and yagna homa. Hold the pan in left hand. You also hold in left hand. Okay.
With-
Swine explanation.
With the right hand, both of you have to same time offer Havan Samagri to the side of the fire inside. Like this, very little.
Like that, swaha, and both same time. Not like that. Make sure. First
I also
mantra
say swaha and
is
you also say
Ganesh
swaha and
mantra.
offer.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Kode Samaprabha.
Nirvignam kuru me deva yagna karyartha siddhai.
Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha. Both of you have to say swaha and offer.
You have to say swaha. You forgot, right? Again. Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha.
Loud. Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye.
Swaha.
Bhavaha.
Swaha.
Om Bhavaha.
Swaha.
Om Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Brahmane.
Swaha.
Om Vishnave.
Swaha.
Om Maharadraya.
Swaha.
Om Suryaya.
Swaha.
Om Chandramase.
Swaha.
बुधाय
स्वाहा
ॐ बृहस्पतये
स्वाहा
ॐ शुक्राय
स्वाहा
ॐ शनैश्चराय
स्वाहा
ॐ राहुवे
स्वाहा
ॐ केतवे
स्वाहा.
1 times गायत्री महामंत्र.
After Gayatri mantra, then I say Prachodayat Swaha. That time you also say Swaha and
Like that.
offer.
Both hand hold like that. ॐ भर्भुवस्वः तस्य विदुर्भरण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि
Diyo yo nah Prachodayat Swaha.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिपुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनान्
Mrityormukshayamamrutat Swaha.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिपुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनान्
Mrityormukshayamamrutat Swaha.
ॐ विष्णवे
Swaha.
ॐ विष्णवे
Swaha.
Avinash, your speed is fast. Both same time. You go fast. Again, sing. Om Sam Vishnave.
Swaha.
Now good. Om Vishnave.
Swaha.
Om Brahmane.
Swaha.
Om Maharudraya.
Swaha.
Om Jajagratadharamudaithi Bhanta Saptasadadhaim Vaide.
Durangamam jyodigam jyotirekam tanme manah shiva sankalpamastu swaha.
Now, next step is Mangal.
Next is Mangal Fera, step 11. So I need Sonia's brother over here at the mandap.
And bhai do it Mangal Phera. Okay, hold like that. Put the two hands here. Good. Are you ready? Where is your umbrella? What's over there? You forgot. They told me I didn't need it. Okay. Okay, hold in left hand. And give your sister hand 5 times. And every times you have to say Namaha. We just say mantra. Then you just say last word Namaha. Dharame cha namaha.
Nati charami,
Arthe cha namaha.
nati charami,
Kame cha namaha.
nati charami,
Mokshe cha namaha.
nati charami,
Dharame namaha.
nati charami.
Done 5 times, right? Yep. Okay. Okay, both of you just say Swaha and offer here. Not one.
Swaha.
Dharame Ardhe Namaha. Do you have Mangal Phera song, right, brother? One by one. Okay. Hold it. Turn like that and walk around slowly. Okay, make sure. 1 minute. Dharame cha namarthe cha namaha, kame cha namaha, mokshe cha namaha. Mata can stand. You also Mata with us, brother. Give the rice on it.
Rice.
We can do little bit rice, both sides. You just a little bit rice, just for this.
ફ્લાવર પેટર્ન હતી એ લોકોની ફ્લાવર પેટર્ન.
This is your side. Don't throw too much, just a little bit, just to bless
ના
both sides.
જોઈએ
Yes.
જોઈએ.
Okay, now first Mangal Phero. घर में you have to walk around slowly. Every come here. Right.
ઇન્કેસ રાખી મૂકો કદાચ.
प्रथमे नमः. You also. Second brother. Avinash, your spirit always fast. You have to wait. I know, not slow. And you have to look back side also. Now Surya is behind you. You have to hold. Right, I'm right. Okay, give your this one. Hold this. Left hand, right hand. Give your sister hand. Okay, both hands, sister. So Om Dharmaja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Say Namaha. You forgot. Again. Om Dharmaja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Om Ardhaja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Om Kameja Namaha.
Nati
Om
Jarami.
Moksheja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Dharme Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Dharmartha Kama Mokshe Namaha. Now second Mangal Phero. Same way. Same thing touch and go slow. Yeah, speed only for 2 F5. Make sure. Your turn now. Same thing. You know mantra, right? Which mantra? Many. No, for you. Which mantra you have? Forgot first time. Namaha. Good, you fast. Now you remember. Dharme.
Nati Jarami.
Arthe Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Om Kame Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Om Mokshe Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Dharme Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Now good, okay. Swaha. Then again same thing. Third Mangal Phero. Dharma, Artha, now Kamaha. This is your turn. You also know, right? Om Dharmeja Namaha. Artheja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Kameja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Om Moksheja Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Dharmartha Kama Moksha Chaturvidha Purushaya Namaha.
Nati Jarami.
Jagnena Jagnamaya Janta Devasthani Dharmani Pradhamanya Dhandaha.
Dehanakam Mahimanah Sajandra Satyavurve Sadhyaha Santi Devaha.
Saptashay Devaya Namaha. This is right. Okay, come this side. Yes, now. Now 3 times you have to walk, okay? Dharme Namaha. Fourth. Tax, you know, you go. Brother wants some money. How much money you want? You know, our culture says, sister, I gave you, so you have to give me some money. Maybe your choice, how much you want? You need good car also, new. Only $20. Okay, next step.
Next is Saptapadi.
7 step, Saptapadi.
Saptapadi means Sonia and Avinash step
You
on
have
7
first
mounts
four,
of
7
rice,
step breathing.
each representing a vow to be striven for
Then
the
you are
for
done,
and
okay?
attain.
Ready. See, put the first
સર
step.
સાંભળજો
Here.
પેલા સાડી સિલ્કની છે ને એટલે એ
Okay,
વખત
go
પેલી
with
શું કહેવાય
just the walk.
એની ફ્લેમ એકદમ પવનથી આવી જાય.
प्रथम सप्ते नमः द्वितीय सप्ते नमः
नमः।
तृतीय सप्ते नमः
नमः।
चतुर्थ सप्ते नमः
नमः।
पंचम सप्ते नमः
नमः।
षष्ठमे नमः
नमः।
सप्तमे नमः
नमः।
come this side, yeah, come this side, yes, and stay here. Now come also Avinash. Now you go first, walk. Only Avinash walk. Here start. Now you go walk behind. Om Pratame Namaha, Ditye Namaha, Tritye Namaha,
Namaha,
Chaturthe Namaha,
Namaha,
Panchame Namaha,
Namaha,
Sashte Namaha,
Namaha,
Sashte Namaha,
Namaha,
Saptame
Namaha.
Namaha. Yeah, you have to do here, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, Mangalsutra. Sit down here. Come. Now.
After Saptapadi, there is a Mangal Sutra, Sindoor and a ring exchange.
Now, first Mangal Sutra.
પેલી બાજુ છે સિંદૂર પેલી
Yes,
સિંદૂર
I know
ડબ્બી ને બધું ત્યાં છે.
Okay, now give the Mangal Sutra.
Mangal Sutra and Sindoor time, I request everybody please rise because this is the most important ceremony for bride.
વોલ્યુમ કે
अग्नि बंद कर देना जी. Yeah, music start. Yeah.
એમ તો વાંધો નહીં આવે નહીં વાંધો આવે ચોખા મૂકી દેશે એટલે નહીં સ્મૂથ થાય. That's it. Good again.
5 moments there, blessing and Mangal Sutra. I need one more. अक्षतम आशीर्वादम हल्दी कुमकुम and चंदन. We do the mantra haldi kumkum haridra kumkumam chaiva sindhurade samprabhat saubhagya paripradrabhyane gruhanam parameshwarah mangalam bhavata. You have to say 5 married women. Mangalam bhavatu. Mangalam bhavatah. Subhamangalam bhavatah. Yes, haldi kumkum and this is to I have book here. All puja stay ready. Haldi kumkum put the in a thread. Yeah. Next step is Sindoor. This is the Mangal Sutra ceremony. Now Sindoor. Then after you have to, yeah.
Story.
Sindoor meaning married woman is still licensed. Now say Sonia is married. The Sindoor is main part of the ladies Akhanda Sobhagyavati Bhavah Sinduram. Mangalam Bhavatu is good. Now Sinduram. Hold this, yes. Good. Sindur અને મંગળસૂત્રનું કઈ
સાથે જ છે અંદર ત્રણેય શહેર સાથે જ બોલી.
Hold the
પછી
Yes, and put the
ના,
center.
નથી જોઈ કારણ કે તમારા બોક્સમાં ગિફ્ટ નથી.
સન્નો દેવીરવિજયા ભવંત વેદયન સંજર
કારણ કે અહીંયા તમારે એક ક્રિસ્પી બોક્સ હતું ને કે તમારે થાળી ના બધું હતું એક બોક્સમાં. બે બોક્સ તો વાંધો નહીં.
Please give a round of applause.
One time. Yeah. Mangaladhara bhavato. Yes, story. Now sit down, please take your seat. You know, Avinash can do it. Avinash, you have to sit down like that and one by one. Yes, come on, let's go. Sit down. Yeah, that is good. Next, after that.
આફ્ટર પતી જાય પછી અખંડ સૌભાગ્ય.
First, right feet. Right feet.
ટાઈટ કરવું પડશે.
Next, license. You have that? No? Next year. You plan next year. Mantram padet. Srishyate Lakshmi.
श्रीश्चदे लक्ष्मी च पत्न्यामहोरात्रे पार्वसे नक्षत्राणिरूपमश्विनौ यातं महत्
Krishnaneghanam mahigana sarvalokamahiganah. Next time.
Now next is Akhanda Saubhagyavatir Bhava. Let me read Akhanda Saubhagyavatir Bhava. Married woman from Sonia and Avinash family whisper blessings to Sonia's right ear, wishing her well in her married life.
Smita Ben, your side to family. Smita Ben, everyone come here. Just hold the two hand, beta, two hand. And look, I'm right. One by one. Your five woman, right? Five. બધાને બોલાયેલો ઉપર તમે જરા મૂવ થઈ જાઓ. Your side only for come three.
હા બધાને મળશે.
ચલો now ready. It's called અખંડ સૌભાગ્યવતી ભવ. તમારે બોલવાનું છે એને કાનમાં જે મહારાજે કીધું તે મંત્ર અખંડ સૌભાગ્યવતી ભવ. બ્રહ્મા સાવિત્રી સૌભાગ્યવતી ભવ. It's simple in English. Happy marriage, long life. અખંડ સૌભાગ્યવતી ભવ. અખંડ સૌભાગ્યવતર ભવ. બ્રહ્મા સાવિત્ર સૌભાગ્યવતર ભવ. Next. Your her side then after remove that. Blessing you here. You know no secret because Akhanda Saubhagya gave you. Akhanda Saubhagyavadar Bhava. Brahma Savitra Saubhagyavadar Bhava. Akhanda Saubhagyavadar Bhava. Rice આપતા રહેજો ભાઈ મિલિંદભાઈ તમે બધાને ફૂલ સર્વિસ યાર need full service. Yes, and mantra same Akhandah Saubhagyavadar Bhavah. Brahma Savitra Saubhagyavadar Bhavah. Indra Indraanda Saubhagyavadar Bhavah. Sandhakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham Suresam Visvadharam Gaganashatrujam Meghavarnam Subhangau
Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogavidhyanagamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavavayaharanam Sarvalokaikanaatham
Sasanga Chakaram Sakireda Kundala Swabeda Vastram Saraseru Yakshanao Shahara Vakshastalakastabham Shriya Namami Vishnu Sirisham Chadarabhujah Ahigari Nandini Nandini Vedini Veswavinodini Nandanute Girivara Vandha Vinasini Kunda Vinasini Kunjamati Jaya 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 Hai Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shahila Shute Maya Ramya Kapardini Shahila Shute Akhanda Saubhagya Vate Bhavaha. कोई अखंड सौभाग्यवती नो कम दिस टाइम कम दिस या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो
नमो
नमः
देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवाय सततं नमः
नमः प्रकृतिभद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मदाम्
राइस आप्या साहेब राइस आप जो है फुल सर्विस में आपता रो साहेब अखंड सौभाग्यवतर भवतः गन्धद्वारां दुरादरसां नित्यपुष्टां करस्य
ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां तामिहोमापयश्रियाम्
ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां तामिहोमापयश्रियं Now next is ring.
Next is basics.
Make sure don't forget.
Ring કરવાની છે next.
Yeah. Our small ceremony is કૌંસાર. સ્મિતાબેન તમે કૌંસાર થોડો ખબરાવી દો બધાને બંને જણાને કૌંસાર
Kaunsar means both of them will have their first meal together. That is the ceremony of Kaunsar.
come this way hold the plate Avinash you have to feed her 3 times maybe 4 times 3 is 4 no 3 times अन्नभरण सदाभरण शंकर प्राणवल्लभ
ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती
माता च पार्वती देवी पिता देवो महेश्वर
बान्धवा शिवभक्ताश्च स्वदेशे भुवनत्रया
अन्नभरणे नमो नमः 3 times only now your turn Sonia you have to give the big piece and if you want last piece like that if you want अन्नपूर्णे सदापूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे
ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च
पार्वते Done? Okay, one minute. You know what? Maybe hungry. Give them. Sure? No. Both each at the same time. Now. Yeah. This is last. Yes. You hold the sari. Hold the sari. Hold. And clean your hand. Yeah, make sure. Yeah. And ask her money if you want some money. She give you maybe $1,000, $2,000. What do you want? Maybe BMW. She give you good car. સાસુમાં આપે આપણામાં ખમસાર. Okay, next is a ring ceremony.
Now next is ring ceremony.
You come here both, brother and ring ceremony. Without us.
I request everybody please rise.
You have to, Avinash, in a knee, down like that. Again. You know, 2 times. After every day. Good. You hold like that. Mantra Hidaya Ashirvadaya Namaha.
मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो सारी जन्नतें मेरे साथ हो मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो सारी जन्नतें मेरे साथ हो तू जो पास हो फिर क्या है जहाँ तेरे प्यार में खो जाऊं मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो सारी जन्नतें मेरे साथ हो
Everybody please sit down. Now from both of us, we declare Sonia and Avinash legally husband and wife. We both wish them happy marriage, long life. Congratulations, Avinash and Sonia. God bless you.
This is too much. Okay. Aarti. Yes, okay. Jagnena Jagnamaya Janta Devastani Dharmani Prathamanya Sandaha.
Tehanakam Mahimanaha Sajandra Satya Purve Satyaha Santi Devaha.
Niranjanam. It's called Niranjanam.
रामचंद्राय जनकराज मनोहरा मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् महितमङ्गलम् महितमङ्गलम्.
Yeah, just throw the right. Yes. Mangalaya Namaha. Dakshina Lakshmano Yasya Bhame Janakatmaja.
Purado Maradiryasya Tvam Vande Raghunandanam.
Mata Ramo Matpita Ramachandra Swami Ramo Matsakha Ramachandra. Okay, stand here. Ceremony is over now.
Now next blessings, Ashirvad.
Ashirvad. Stay here. Mata Pita Ashirvad first.
Now
after
next
you,
is
mother
blessings,
and father,
Ashirvad.
Mother and father. Both stand. Hold it back. You have to first, your mom and dad will touch the feet and take the blessing. And mom, dad, same with mom and dad. Okay? Mom and dad come here. No, this time. Okay, this time. Mangalaya Namaha. Mata Pitas come in middle. First mom and dad blessing, then Dada and Grand. Then she go down and yeah. She come here. Sit down. Mata Pita, mother, father, please come. No, you stay there. He's coming here. Come here. Lakshmi, here. Okay. Do Mata Pita first. Matradeva Bhavaha. Good. Pitradeva Bhavaha. Pita. Father and mother. Mother, father. Mata Pitru Charan Kamalabhya Namaha. Now come your center in middle. Vichinda mantra. Tameva Mata Shabita. Tvameva. Tvameva Bandha Sasakha. Tvameva.
Tvameva Vidya Dravinam. Tvameva. Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare. He Nath Narayana Vasudeva.
Jihve Pibasvamrutameta Govinda Damodar Madhaveti.
Govinda Damodar Madhavete Achyutam Keshvam Ram Narayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hare.
Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabham Shri Janaki Vinayakam Shri Ramachandram Bhaje.
Older family, grandma, grandma, just the go and blessing both at the same time. Ceremonies done.
Now our ceremony is over here. Thank you very much. Thanks for your cooperation. Again, God bless you, Avinash and Sonia. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
આપણે જોઈએ કેમ નહીં બેન આપણે છોડવા નથી એમને એમ જમીન જમીને એમને છોડવા નથી.
Give a huge round of applause to our newlyweds, Sonia and Avinash. Yeah.
Because we did that for you, so that time we have to give you something. Congratulations to your wife and your aunt.
All right. Friends and family, just a quick note. In just a few short minutes, we will be doing the Vidaki ceremony. And to us all our guests, please join us right outside the main entrance. One request, friends and family, please keep the middle aisle clear for the Vidai ceremony. Once it's closed, please keep the middle aisle clear for the Vidai ceremony.
You guys gotta communicate better.